The 2026 Toyota Century is not just a car, it's a statement of legacy, luxury, and innovation. As Toyota's flagship luxury sedan, the Century has always stood apart in the automotive world, especially in Japan, where it symbolizes prestige and tradition. The 2026 model continues this tradition but adds a modern twist, merging heritage with advanced technology in a way that appeals to both seasoned executives and a younger generation of luxury car enthusiasts. Externally, the 2026 Century retains its classic, dignified presence. The design remains conservative yet elegant, with a boxy silhouette that pays homage to its predecessors. However, subtle modern touches like sleeker LED headlights, a slightly more aerodynamic body, and refined grille details give it a refreshed, contemporary look. Toyota has ensured the car doesn't scream for attention, but it certainly commands respect. The long wheelbase and understated chrome accents reflect the brand's focus on quiet luxury rather than flashy opulence. Under the hood, the 2026 Century offers a powerful and refined hybrid V8 engine. This upgrade is not just about performance, it's also about environmental responsibility. Toyota has used its expertise in hybrid systems to make the Century more fuel-efficient and smoother than ever. The transition between electric and gas power is seamless, providing a whisper-quiet ride that enhances the overall luxury experience. The suspension system has also been upgraded to absorb even the slightest road imperfections, giving passengers the feel of floating rather than driving. Inside, the Toyota Century is a sanctuary of comfort and craftsmanship. Every detail is meticulously designed, from the hand-stitched leather seats to the real wood trim and soft ambient lighting. Rear passengers are the true focus of the experience, with fully reclining seats, built-in massagers, and individual infotainment systems. The cabin is also soundproof to an exceptional degree, making conversations feel private and peaceful, even in the middle of traffic. Technology in the 2026 Century is both discreet and advanced. A large digital instrument panel and infotainment system are seamlessly integrated, providing all essential functions without overwhelming the driver. Voice control, gesture recognition, and AI-driven navigation enhance the experience, making every journey smooth and personalized. Safety is top-tier too, with Toyota's latest suite of driver assistance systems including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and an advanced emergency braking system. Another notable addition in the 2026 model is the level of customization. Buyers can choose from a wide range of interior materials, color schemes, and technological add-ons. Toyota even offers handcrafted personalization options, making each Century feel unique and tailored. This approach caters to elite customers who expect more than just transportation, they expect a reflection of their identity. The 2026 Toyota Century represents more than luxury, it's a symbol of patience, refinement, and purpose.